Hi guys, welcome back. In last video, we were just setting about authentication. We did our login setup and registration pages. In this video, before actually proceeding forward, we'll set up include Bootstrap, and in the next video, we'll try to complete the registration and login page. I will minimize this window and we'll just revisit our last episode quickly, and then we'll move on to include Bootstrap and everything. And let's go ahead and let's actually run this server from this terminal here, because actually it's already here. Okay, and let's check the browser. Let's open up the browser. Okay, localhost 1234. This is our default host. Let's increase the font size so you can see the browser. Let's resize this browser as well so that you can see the screen. Okay, so this is home page, login page, user page. So on user page, we actually set up like whenever user wants to go to the user page, it will be redirected to login if user is not logged in. And here is our registration page. And let's go ahead and pull some Bootstrap. For that, we'll go to bootstrap.com and get started. We'll use the version 4 for now. Let's go ahead and copy the script and let's add it in our styling tag. Let's remove this integrity check, and we don't need to do that for now. Let's go ahead and include Bootstrap in all our pages. Okay, register page, user page as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and check how it actually affected our styles. Cool. So now it looks nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a container tag with the body as well. Let's copy this and paste it everywhere. So our UI is somewhat centralized, so you can see everything, nothing is getting out. Let's go ahead and edit here as well. Let's refresh the page. Okay, cool. So everything works. So let's go ahead and style these UI elements a little bit so they also look a little bit better. Let's go start with the register. For that, actually, we'll just get the Bootstrap form group. Let's go ahead and check this. Okay, so this is a form group. In the form, you can put form group, and it looks decently well. Let's go ahead and use this form group here. So form group is actually contains label and the input. Let's go ahead and do this, and then we'll go here, we'll do this, and then we will put this in the form group as well. And from here we will remove this line breaks. We don't need these guys anymore. And we'll put an extra class here. This also comes with form group. Let's put it here, put it here. And for the button, actually we'll just put a class here, button small. Okay, let's make it button primary. No reason to make it a little bit smaller. Let's go ahead and refresh our UI. Yeah, cool. So now it looks nice, right? Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. I think this is fine. Okay, so now our register page is being our styled properly. Let's change this as well. Let's make it h1, and let's center the text. Let's remove this line break as well. This is still fine. Okay, and let's refresh it a moment. Okay, let's go ahead and do the same with the login page and home page as well. Okay, now our home page, we added another styling here. On login page, we fix our login page, and then we fixed our register page here. And actually, let's now, there is just one more thing we need to do. We are using this on all the pages here. Let's go ahead and move it to a single centralized file here. And for that, we'll just create another file here. Let's name it our, let's cut it out and create another directory. We'll name our directory partials, and let's create another blade file, navbar blade.php. Let's put our navbar here, and now we'll try to reference this navbar in all our components here in our home. To do this, we'll use include partials.navbar. That's it, and that's all we need to do. We'll use it on all the login pages here. We'll just remove this. We don't need to do this HR. We can move this HR here into navbar as well. Okay. On login we already did the navbar, and home I'll just remove this HR and the register page. Okay, it seems like let's go ahead and check everything is working fine. Login, user, home, register page, everything is fine. We have navbar everywhere. I think there is one more HR here. We'll just remove this HR. Okay, now we are also repeating this whole content here, and let's go ahead and try to extract this as well. So we'll create another folder here, layout. Okay, and we'll create app.blade.php, which will own our app layout, and let's move it out, and also this guy. Okay, and let's move the same content from the all file other than just app. Let's do that. Okay, we have removed all this duplicate HTML from all of our files, but if we come here, it's not here anymore. We cannot see our styling and anything. So the thing is that now our templates actually are not using, there is no HTML, there is no bootstrap here. So now all of our main HTML structure is here. So to use this in our all the files, we need to do two things. First, we need to tell this file that okay, anyone can actually extend this file and put his content here inside the body. And second, we need to tell our blade file that we can extend this app layout and put our content in the body. So first thing first, we'll just go to app.blade.php and we'll tell this okay, so anyone who will extend this file can render its content in the body. And now we'll go to our blade file, and we'll tell this blade file you can extend layouts app, and you can put your content here. So to put the content in the body, we'll use the section blade directive. So what essentially this is doing is this is putting this content or anything that actually comes in this section here in the app layout content section. So anything that we'll write in the child template, it will come here. So let's go ahead and do that for all the files here. So we added this extend and section content in all our file. Let's go ahead and check if it works. Yeah, cool, it works. Okay, so there is one small thing that we still need to handle, is it is we're using include partials and now never in all our file. Let's remove this and put it also in the app.related.php. Let's put it here. Yes, cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that for all the files as well. Okay, so we removed this include directive from all the bleed files. So let's go ahead and see this. Everything is working fine. Now let's go ahead and check all the files are working fine. Home, login, user, we have our register page here. So that's pretty much it for this video. So I will see you in the next video. So in the next video we'll try to see set up the registration and login for the user. We have already finished setting up, included the bootstrap, set it up, login and registration pages. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go and check the composer and the project from the start, and let me know if you have any question and comment. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye. See you in the next video.